Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to use the Vlookup function in Excel. Vlookup is one of the most used functions in Excel. Vlookup stands for vertical lookup. This function makes Excel search for a certain value in a table vertically and then return another value corresponding to that value from the table. So let's look at an example to understand this more clearly. So suppose in this table of 5 students, we want to add marks from the table which contain music marks. But there are more than 5 students in the music marks table. If we have more students, then matching all students and assigning marks will be very difficult. In such a case, Vlookup will help us. To use this function, first we have to write is equal to Vlookup. Select the function by pressing the tab. Then select the value we want to match. Then select the table which is to be referred and mention the column number from which we want the response. We want a response from the second column which contains marks. So we will write 2 which represents our second column. The fourth parameter is the type of match we want. If you want an exact match, it should be 0. For approx match, it should be 1. We want an exact match value for student 1 value in the table. So we will use 0. Now that we have entered all the parameters, let's complete the command to examine the result. We see that it went to the table selected. It matched up the lookup value vertically to student 1. Here it gave back the value in column 2, which is 45, as we have asked it to do. Now we put $signs on the reference table values and extend the formula to get the music marks for other students. So in this video we have learned how to use the Vlookup function in Excel. If you find this video helpful, you can like our content and subscribe to our channel to find more helpful content in the future, or you can visit our website www.startechacademy.com for complete courses. Thanks.